You pour your heart into your YouTube videos. You research, film, edit, the works. But one question always lingers. How long should my video be? In the vast digital landscape of YouTube, video length is more than just a number. It's a strategic element that can significantly impact your channel's success. Get it right, and you'll see higher engagement, increased watch time, and a thriving community. Get it wrong, and you risk losing viewers before they even reach the good part. This isn't about finding a one-size-fits-all answer. It's about understanding the dynamics of video length and how to optimize it for your unique content and audience. So let's dive in and discover the secrets to finding the sweet spot for your YouTube video length. While there's no magic number for the perfect video length, data reveals intriguing trends. Research suggests that videos between 7 to 15 minutes tend to perform well across various niches. This length provides a balance, offering enough time to delve into a topic without overwhelming viewers. However, it's crucial to remember that this is a general guideline, not a rigid rule. Shorter videos, under 7 minutes, can be incredibly effective for quick tips, tutorials, or entertaining snippets. On the other hand, longer videos over 15 minutes excel when exploring complex subjects, providing in-depth analyses or featuring captivating documentaries. While general trends offer valuable insights, it's crucial to recognize that YouTube is a diverse platform with distinct niches, each with its own audience preferences. For instance, gaming channels often thrive with longer videos, as viewers expect comprehensive gameplay walkthroughs or reviews. Conversely, beauty and fashion channels may find success with shorter, snappier videos, showcasing makeup tutorials or outfit inspiration. Similarly, educational channels targeting younger audiences might benefit from concise, bite-sized content that caters to shorter attention spans. Understanding the viewing habits and expectations of your target audience is key to determining the optimal video length for your niche. Section 4. The engagement equation factors beyond the clock. While video length plays a significant role in viewer engagement, it's not the sole factor. Content quality, editing, and delivery are equally crucial. A shorter video packed with valuable information and presented engagingly will outperform a longer, rambling video that lacks substance. Moreover, factors like watch time, audience retention, and click-through rate, or CTR, provide valuable insights into viewer engagement. Analyzing these metrics can help you understand how viewers interact with your videos, regardless of length. For instance, if viewers consistently drop off at a particular point, it might indicate a pacing issue or irrelevant content that needs addressing. Section 5. Winning the retention game. Strategies for keeping viewers hooked. Keeping viewers glued to their screens requires more than just an intriguing topic. It demands strategic pacing, engaging delivery, and a well-structured narrative. Hook your audience from the get-go with a captivating intro that clearly outlines the video's purpose and value proposition. Maintain momentum by breaking down complex information into digestible chunks, incorporating visuals, and using transitions effectively. Encourage interaction by asking questions, prompting comments, and fostering a sense of community. By employing these techniques, you can create videos that captivate viewers from start to finish, regardless of length. Section 6. Length Mastery. Actionable tips for YouTube success. 1. Research your target audience's viewing habits and preferences to determine the ideal length for your content. 2. Focus on delivering valuable, engaging content, even if it means sacrificing a few minutes of video length. 3. Utilize YouTube analytics to track watch time, audience retention, and CTR to identify areas for improvement. 4. Don't be afraid to experiment with different video lengths and formats to see what resonates best with your audience. 5. Optimize titles, descriptions, and tags to attract viewers and increase visibility. By mastering the art of video length, you'll be well on your way to creating compelling content that captivates your audience and drives YouTube success.